you. So today we're gonna get inspired by the new collection from Janet collection of the Color Me collection. Needless to say, I am so excited that I decided to wear giant hoops and the money dress because this wig is in the color of mint green. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Clearly this color is insane, and this wig line comes in so many colors and 2 other styles, which is really great. So with these color swatches, as there are so many of them, that any swatch that begins with this PTLR and then the slash in the color means that it has this much lighter, like whiter toned root which fades into the color, while the other colors, like for instance this is the mustard yellow, which is just mustard yellow, which means she has no root right there. So this is super exciting. It has just literally, I wanted to try every single one of these colors, but I just was like, this mint green, I just have to give it a try. So this wig is heat safe up to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Also with this wig, she has an amazing 6-inch parting right there. Wow, nice and deep. She also has medium colored lace right here with that gorgeous 6-inch parting. She has 2 combs right up here in the front, and then she has 1 comb, which is pretty large right here in the back, which is a nice comb. She has a medium cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. I truly want to showcase how amazing this color tone is, as I feel like it is so special that I've never really seen this before. So it has this white colored topper right here, which just fades into the darker color, which at the very bottom, it is like dipped in, almost like inky dipped. I mean, look at that color. So let's just put this gorgeous girl on. So I have my wig cap in nude, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that. I really like these wig caps. And I put my wigs on front to back. Oh my goodness, look at this just off the bat. Oh my gosh, she has like this kind of Farrah Fawcett kind of front, which is pretty dreamy. So let's take a look at her hairline really quickly. It looks great. And of course, plucking her out would be key, of course, to your wig success, but she looks good and her parting looks amazing as well. So I feel like the parting doesn't really need any kind of plucking. So let's cut off the lace really quick so we can see what she's all about. I really feel like I have entered a mint dream. I haven't even brushed her out, and just look at her. Oh my gosh, so I'm just gonna quickly take my wig brush and just brush her out really quickly. And from brushing her out, she has extremely minimal shedding, like less than usual, which is really nice. And what I will tell you, she does have a little bit of a texture to her, but she's very soft, and I feel like she feels a little bit more full because of the slight texture she has to the hair fibers, but really great, really loving it. And let's just check out this color. I mean, wow, just great. And I feel like she's around the 22 inches, which is right past my chest right there. Wow, I just love this voluminous kind of front right here. I just really dig it. So let's change the parting, as you know I love to do. So let's switch her to my usual parting, which is on my left eyebrow, and see what kind of look that she gives. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty and doable for sure. So you can definitely switch her to this parting, really dig it. Let's switch her to the other side. Oh wow, I feel like she's more voluminous on this side. What do you guys think? I definitely feel like she has this kind of like lion's mane kind of feel, which I absolutely love. The more volume, the better, right? just in love. I cannot say enough about this wig. So again, this wig is from Janet Collection. It is part of the Color Me collection, and the style isn't pretty. And of course, she comes in 2 other styles, so definitely check that out. So let me know if you have this wig, or if you have this wig in another color. I would seriously love to see you in this wig. So do reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. Because remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a minty green Color Me wig, wear it. Wear it, love it,